Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? In today's video, I will attempt to film a makeup tutorial in different languages. Now keep in mind that I'm only fluent in 2 of those languages. I'm gonna start this video in English to explain to all of you what we're doing, but then for the rest of the video, I will attempt to speak languages that I have no idea how to speak. Yay! Wow, I'm so nervous. Whew. I'm literally sweating so much, but I wore this shirt because you can't tell that I'm sweating. Life hacks by Denny. In most of those languages, I only know a few words, and in some of them, not even a single word. Remind me how I thought that this was a good idea. Disclaimer, if I say something silly or something bad in your language that I wasn't supposed to say, excuse me, I'm sorry, blame that on Google Translator because I'm relying on it so much today, and if it betrays me, I will never forgive it. You guys actually gave me the idea for this video because in my previous video, I spoke a little bit of Spanish with the help of Google Translator, of course. I don't know any Spanish. And I got so many messages from you guys telling me that, Denny, try to speak my language in your next video. So many different languages, oh my god. It was a little bit overwhelming, I'm not gonna lie, but that gave me the idea for today's video. Okay, let's do it. Oh my god. Είναι τόσο awkward. Λοιπόν, ελληνικά, ναι. Ντένι, σοβαρέψου Ντένι. Λοιπόν, παιδιά, ξεκινάμε με τα ελληνικά. Ξεκινάω να απλώνω το make-up μου. Μπουμ, μπουμ, μπουμ. Εδώ δεν θα χρειάζεται το μεταφραστή, ευτυχώς. Γιατί είχα τον καλύτερο δάσκαλο που με έμαθε ελληνικά. Ο φίλος μου, βρε, ο Δημήτρης. Δεν είναι δάσκαλος, φωτογράφος είναι. Απλά είχε τη τρελή υπομονή να με μάθει ελληνικά. Να φανταστείτε, όταν γνωριστήκαμε δεν ήξερα καθόλου ελληνικά. Μιλάγαμε αγγλικά. Και να σας πω και ένα μυστικό. Από τότε, κάθε μέρα μετανιώνει αυτό το τεράστιο λάθος που έκανε να με μάθει ελληνικά. Με ρωτάτε γιατί? Γιατί δεν κλαίω το στόμα μου όλη μέρα. Το καταλαβαίνω μέχρι και εγώ. Όλη μέρα είμαι μωρό μου, μωρό. Αγάπη μου, αγάπη. Έλα, τι θες? Αυτός είναι ο Δημήτρης. Έλα, τι θες? Πεινάς πάλι? Ναι, πώς το κατάλαβες? Τι θα φάμε? Προσπαθώ να τον πείσω να κάνουμε βίντεο μαζί, αλλά δεν θέλει. Όχι και όχι. Τι να τον κάνεις? Παιδιά, θέλω ένα πράγμα από εσάς. Δεν σας έχω ζητήσει τίποτα ποτέ. Θέλω να γράψετε κάτω στα σχόλια. Βρε Δημήτρη, βρε όμορφο παιδό, κάνε ένα βίντεο με το κορίτσι. Άιντε. Αυτός διαβάζει όλα τα σχόλια. Σίγουρα θα τα δει. Μήπως τον πείσουμε μαζί, ρε παιδιά, ξέρω εγώ. Υποτίθεται ότι έπρεπε να σας εξηγώ τι κάνω, πώς βάφομαι, αλλά λίγο ξεχάστηκα. Τι να κάνουμε? Δεν θα κάτσουμε να μαλώσουμε. Απλά άπλωσα το make-up μου. Τέλεια. Τώρα, όσο και να θέλω να συνεχίσω να μιλάω ελληνικά, θα προχωρήσω με τα βουλγαρικά και χάρηκα πολύ που τα είπαμε. Φιλάκια! Добре, що са ми толкова сухи устните постоянно? Гледай какво нещо. Продължаваме на български. Много е странно. Никога не съм говорила на български пред камерата. Сигурна съм, че баба ми в момента гледа това видео и не може да повярва на ушите си. Сигурно си мисли, Боже, аз започнах да разбирам английски. Какво става тук? Спокойно, баба. Все още не разбираш английски. Днес правя клип на различни езици. Благодаря ви за търпението. Трябва да обясня на баба какво правя днес. Жената ще си мисли, че поудява. Баба ми е най-големия фен. Хора, наистина, гледа всеки клип, винаги харесва, винаги пише коментар. Тя и майка ми. Много ми е странно да обяснявам как се гримирам на български. В момента сресвам космите на веждите ми. Това звучи много странно. Супер много се радвам, че сега са на мода дебелите вежди. Защото аз като бях в пубертета, положението беше страшно. Голямо скубане беше. Като бях в пубертета имам чувството, че се изкарвах всичкия яд върху веждите. Да, и да ви кажа честно, май това продължи и след пубертета. Май още продължава. Сигурно си мислите, Дени, преувеличаваш. Изтървах си четката. Ей, това е първата снимка, която качих в Инстаграм. Като ви кажа, че положението беше страшно, ще ми вярвате. Ето доказателство. Много беше тънка разликата между това да имаш и да нямаш вежди. Отдалече всички изглеждаха, че нямат вежди. Много беше яко. Добрите стари времена. Много е странно, защото не знам дали да ви говоря на вие или на ти. На английски го нямам това проблем. Между другото, ако искате малко да се посмеете, гледайте клипа с майка ми и баща ми, където аз и баща ми гримирахме майка ми. Той е един от любимите ми клипове, които някога съм качвала. Направо си е злато, трябва да го гледате. Веждите са готови. Колкото и да ми се иска да продължа да си говоря на български, ще ми се наложи да обърна на италиански. Хора, стискайте ми палци да не се изложа много, защото на този Google преводач хич не може да му се има вяра. Кой знае какво ще им говоря на хората сега? Поне на български си ме разбрахте. Айде, целувки! Ръката ми изпука. Що пукаш така, бе? Ciao bella gente! Come stai, bellissima? Oggi saranno i miei obreti Nabla. Oh my god, I have no idea what I'm telling you guys. Nabla è un marchio italiano.
Inizierò con questo colore.
Oh my god. Guys, help. Inizierò con questo colore. Lo iple...
Lo applicherò qui.
Applicherò. Lo applicherò qui. Pinello del verso. Prenderò questo colore. How am I guys doing? Let me know down in the comments. I was not supposed to talk in English. Qui. Ok? Qui. Stesso pennello, colore marrone più scuro. Questo. Ok? Misela. Ok, bella? Ok. Ora userò la colla glitterata. Adoro i glitter. Come probabilmente già sai. Colla glitter qui. Qui, colore. Oh, sembra buono come un piatto di pasta. Questo è uno dei miei preferiti. Hold on. Trucco per occhi. Oh, I think I'm doing pretty well. It sounds like it. Voglio visitare l'Italia la prossima estate. Namaste Sundar Logon.
मैं अब अपना eyeliner करूँगी.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fail so bad at this. Okay, I'm gonna try my best. मैं अपना eyeliner करूँगी. मैं इसका उपयोग करूँगा. Urban Decay. वहाँ मौसम कैसा है? यहाँ ठंड है. Oh my god. Whoa, this is such a difficult language. Oh my god. मेरे हाथ काँप रहे हैं.
मैं बहुत घबराया हुआ हूँ.
मैं बहुत घबराया हुआ हूँ. अब मैं कजल अब मैं कजल लगाऊंगी. My tongue doesn't move like that. Is this how we say mascara in Hindi? लगाऊंगी? Or am I saying something else? Something completely different? I never thought that using Google Translator will be so scary. लगाऊंगी. लगाऊंगी. Cam lamba. Baroni. Cam baroni. Boom. Lamba baroni. I don't know, you guys. I feel like Google Translator is not translating exactly what I want to say. So I kind of have to, make sentences myself. Mera naam Deni hai. Tumhara naam kya hai? Comments. Acha. Hello, Nataloita. Hold on. This sounds different.
Lovely people.
No, I know how it is in English. Tell me in German.
Nette Leute.
Nette Leute. Hello, nette Leute. I don't think that means lovely people. I think that it means nice people. Hello, Sean people. No. Hello, Sean Mansion? I'm so bad at this. Let me guys know down in the comments how I can say hello lovely people in German. Because Google Translator is keeping it a secret from me. Ich habe in der Schule Deutsch Ich habe in der Schule Deutsch gelernt. Ich war kein guter Schüler. Stille Tablet. Ich möchte meinen Freund danken. I know danken. Danke, bitte. Für die Hilfe bei deutschen Tests. In der Schule. I hope you guys understood what I wanted to say. I tried my best. Jetzt werde ich einen Concealer auftragen. auftragen. Yes. Oh, I got that right. Hier und hier. Bedecke meine dunklen Ringe. Ach, nein! Ich habe vergessen, das zu benutzen. Color Corrector. Ich vergessen. Oh. Es ist okay. Ich werde es oben anwenden. Gut. Mischung, Mischung, Mischung. Ah, makellos. I feel like I sound so confident in what I'm saying. In reality, I have no idea what I'm saying. Pulver. I spit. Zoiva. Zoiva ist eine deutsche Marke. Der Besitzer wurde in Griechenland geboren. Oh, I start getting that German accent. I think this is exactly how you pronounce it, guys.
Der Besitzer wurde in Griechenland geboren.
Geboren. I feel like you kind of pronounce it with your throat. It doesn't make any sense. But it's so difficult because I'm not used to pronouncing sounds like that. This is my favorite word in German. It kind of slips out of your mouth. You're not moving your tongue that much. Ich trage Puder auf meinem Gesicht. Fertig. Ich war letztes Jahr in München. Es war nett. Ich möchte nochmal gehen. Hi sa lahat! Kamusta ka na?
Napakasaya kung makita ka.
Oh, they sound so complicated. I'm gonna try my best.
Napakasaya kung makita ka.
Napakasaya kong makita ka. Whoa, I think that this is the most difficult language so far. This one and Hindi. Maglalagay akong blush na yon. Gagamitin ko ito. Ito. Dito. At dito. Niti. Sailong. Mahal ko ta. Ang ganda naman nito. Naman. I don't know what namal means. I really hope I'm not cursing you guys by mistake. Oh my god, this will be so embarrassing. I will try to say something very difficult right now. Gusto mo ba ang aking hako? Is this how you guys pronounce earrings?
Ako.
Hako.
Inaasahan kong mayroon kang isang magandang araw.
Inaasahan kong mayroon kang isang magandang araw. I think I said something different. I don't know. What I said did not sound like what the translator said. All I wanted to say is that I hope you have a wonderful day. Yakap. Oh. Hai teman. Oh. Saya akan menerapkan ini sekarang. Itu kontur. Tua baru. Tua baru. Sikat. Sini. Huh? Oh, saya suka kontur ini. Juga di sini. Dan di sini. Ini bronzer. Saya akan menerapkan... That's a long word. Menerapkannya di sini. That was a long word. Fakta tentang saya. Saya suka spaghetti. Saya tidak suka tomat. I want to know how do you guys say I love you. Aku cinta kamu. Terima kasih telah... Wait. Menonton. Hola, mis amigos. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué tal tu día? Gracias por las amables palabras. En mi video anterior. Ahora aplicaré highlighter. Google Translator tells me that highlighter is resaltador, but I don't think that this is the highlighter that I mean. I think this actually means those highlighter that you write with, those pen highlighters. Resaltador. Let me know down in the comments. What is my resaltador? Muy brillante. Wow. Oh, tan brillante. Me encanta este highlighter or resaltador. Míralo. Brillante como el sol. En la nariz. Ponerse gafas de sol. Me gusta mucho el español. ¿Quién quiere enseñarme? ¿Cuál es tu comida española favorita? escríbelo en los comentarios. Te deseo un buen día. Háblale en francés ahora. Bonjour les amis. Comment allez-vous? Rouge à lèvres.
Je vais appliquer du rouge à lèvres maintenant.
Okay, I don't think that my tongue is able to move this way, so I can pronounce this. Je vais appliquer de rouge à Je vais appliquer de rouge à lèvres mentantant. It's always the last word that gets me, okay? Baiteri. C'est une marque en français. J'aime Baiteri. Crayon à lèvres. Crayon à lèvres. It's coming out different out of my mouth. Rouge. Romantique. Je vais l'appliquer. I'm having so hard time with French. Ah, wow. Tellement jolie. Très belle. Ça sent bon. Aimes-tu? Je l'aime.
Appelle.
Wow. Why is he so passionate?
Appelle.
Oh, it's because it's French, that's why.
Le français est une langue très difficile.
Le français est une langue très difficile. Google is not really showing me how to pronounce the words in French. It's just showing them to me in French, and it's so difficult because I can hear that some letters, they're not being pronounced, but they're there, like in English. You know, we type some extra letters that we don't pronounce, but I'm familiar with English. With French, I have no idea which letter to pronounce and which one not to pronounce. Mon nom est Denis. J'aime les rouges à lèvres. Merci de vous regarder. J'apprécie vraiment cela. Des bisous. Mwah, mwah. I kind of want to change the lip color now. I left French for last as a dessert. If I had something to show me how to pronounce everything, it would have been so much better because in all the other languages I had something to show me that, hey, this is how you pronounce this. But in French, I don't know why I didn't have it. It made everything so much more difficult. By the way, these lipsticks by Terry are awesome, you guys. J'ai l'air mort. Just listen how she says it.
J'ai l'air mort.
It sounds so pretty. It's like she doesn't say, I look dead. It's like she says something completely different. Way more happy than that. But with that concealer on my lips, I do look dead. A nouveau vivant. Whoa, this video reminded me how it feels when you first start learning a new language, when you're a beginner, when you only know just a few words. The top 3 languages that kicked my butt today, that were the most difficult for me to speak, were Hindi, for sure, Filipino, and French. Those 3 destroyed my tongue. They broke it. Today I just wanted to try to speak your language and try to say some stuff in your language with the help of Google Translator, which I don't really trust. I know that for me, if someone tries to speak my native language, it makes me so happy. It just instantly puts a smile on my face. I think that we can make this a challenge. If I'm the first one who does this, I challenge all of you guys to try it out. I want to hear you speak Greek. I want to hear you speak Bulgarian. I know that these are not languages that are spoken by many people around the world, but these are my languages. They're very dear to me. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This was so different. Wow, I enjoyed every single second of it, and I hope you did too. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I also have a second channel here on YouTube where I'm posting random videos, just whatever comes to my mind, mainly food, because that's what I have on my mind 95% of the time. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll have linked to all of those down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!